That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Ngayong 2025, ang lucky number mo ay 312. Dahil sa Bingo Plus, may chance kang manalo ng 312 million pesos sa jackpot. Piso lang to play and may up to 4,317 pesos na cashback. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. Download the Bingo Plus app or visit bingoplus.com.
Promo runs from February 4, 2024 to December 31, 2025. EGLD reference number MKTG-2024-2654. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Narito na ang programang hindi umuurong sa pagtulong sa PCSO. Bagong Pilipinas ang panalo sa kawang-gawa at serbisyo. Halina at sabay-sabay nating tutukan ang programang handang umalalay at magbigay tulong sa bawat Pilipino. Hatid ay serbisyong publiko mula sa Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Ito ang PCSO. Hindi umuurong sa pagtulong. Ang karamay mo sa bawat laban ng buhay. Tutok na tuwing Lunes, alas 11 hanggang alas 11:30 ng umaga. Mapapanood din sa pamamagitan ng Facebook Live, YouTube Live ng DZXL at sa Signal Channel 309. PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong. PCSO.
Jiggy Manikad po, I live by truth and integrity. Tiwala ako sa MX3 capsule dahil ito ay may clinical trial published in the Journal of Aging Research and Clinical Practice. Negatibo sa E. coli at Salmonella bacteria, may physical at chemical analysis mula sa ISO at GMP certified na planta. Tiwala ko na ang MX3 capsule ay tunay natural at original.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
MNL City Runners. Elorde, the Flash Run 2025 is here. Get ready to race like a champion and honor the legacy of our boxing hero, Gabriel Flash Elorde, in this thrilling run. Join us on May 11, 2025 at Philinvest City, Alabang with race categories for 3K, 5K, 10K, 16K, and 21K. All proceeds will benefit the Yellow Boat of Hope Foundation. Registration is open at Festival Mall, Alabang, upper ground floor, West Wing from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily or while slots last. For more details, follow MNL City Run on Facebook. Let's run, fight, and finish strong together. Sign up now and race like a true champ.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart Dishwashing Paste ko. Smart to you. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Tuhod, siko, baywa, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng Artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang Artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang Unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protektado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Pagmahal mo, akbayan mo, akbayan mo, tulungan mo. Pagmahal mo, akbayan mo, alalayan mo.
Akbayan Party List. Nagawang mas abot kaya ang pagpapagamot. Tinulungang magkaroon ng sariling lupa ang mga magsasaka. Mahalang bayan, hindi pababayaan.
Chel Diokno po, first nominee ng Akbayan Party List. Iboto, number 51 sa balota.
This political advertisement is paid for and by Akbayan Party List, Sikatuna, Quezon City, Philippines.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labatan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labatan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Uy, boy, gising! Ano ka ba? Kaya aga-aga, natutulog ka. Lalamya-lamya ka sa trabaho. Magkape ka. Mag-Sunfone Plus Coffee Mix ka nga. Tarahin mo na para maging alerto ka. Sunfone Plus Coffee Mix. Kape na, gamot pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Boom, papaya. White rose papaya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka. In 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka. White rose papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Anumang sandali, muling darating si Jesus. Malapit na akong dumating. Dala ko ang aking gantimpala para sa bawat isa ayon sa mga ginawa niya. Ako ang Alpha at ang Omega, nang ibig sabihin ang una at ang huli. Revelation 22 verse 12 to 13. Repent. Turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
MX3 capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pating virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
This time check is brought to you by Optine Lutein Capsule. Sa araw-araw na pag-inom ng Optine, kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RM.